This 2003 Avalanche 1500 is for Chevrolet notes everywhere looking for a durable and tough truck. This truck is nicely equipped with features such as the 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, black assist steps, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, auto-dimming rearview mirror, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors, tilt steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, steering wheel mounted radio controls, illuminated entry, leather steering wheel, power windows, automatic dual zone air conditioning, HomeLink wireless control system, power driver seat, AM/FM radio, CD player, ABS brakes, security system, dual front impact airbags, 40/20/40 front reclining split bench seat, alloy wheels, speed control, fully automatic headlights, and front fog lights.